Hello YZOS students. Today we're going to take a look at the use of images on your website. We're going to figure out how we can make your website come to life, engage viewers, and show good support by selecting quality images. Because no one wants to go to a website to read words alone, especially in this multimedia age. Image requirements. You want to include a minimum of 2 or more quality images for each area of the website. 2 for causes, 2 for description, and 2 for effects. In other words, you want a minimum total of 6 for a 9, and more if you're going for a 10. One tip I'd like to start with is when you're looking at the home page, it can be a nice idea to add a powerful image to the background of that home page to grab our attention and highlight an important aspect of your topic. For example, for the March on Washington, Martin Luther King's speech, "I Have a Dream," was a pinnacle moment, and so that's been used as a background. You can also use it against other titles if you like. So what's an overview of selecting quality images? What are the main things you should keep in mind? You want to 1. Match the story. 2. You want to show action. 3. You want to include variety. And 4. You can include media, which makes it interesting. So let's talk a little bit about matching your story. The whole goal here is to really illustrate and bring to life what you've written in your story to support it and therefore show that your research is good. This also interests the viewer, which is a nice added bonus. You're going to place your image appropriately with that paragraph or section of the topic. For example, if I have a paragraph on Jim Crow, this picture of Jim Crow fountains goes directly with that first paragraph in causes that discusses Jim Crow and shows it. The second image, this march crowd at the Washington Mall, is part of the description, and it goes with paragraph 2 when we're talking about how many people came. The third image is from our effects. This is a picture of the leaders meeting with JFK, and that's one of the results of the march and what I talk about in paragraph 1 of effects. So I would place these nearby so that I show and illustrate and highlight that story that I've been talking about.